Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Chime, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Chime app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Spending tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Budget section within the Spending tab. Tap on the Budget option to access budget settings. Select the Create a Budget button. Choose the category you want to budget for, such as groceries or entertainment. Enter your budget amount for that specific category. Review your entries to ensure accuracy. Set a timeline for your budget, weekly, monthly, or custom. Once everything looks good, tap Save to finalize your budget. Monitor your spending regularly by returning to the Budget section. Check how much you have left in each category. Make adjustments as necessary by returning to the budget settings. Track your progress and celebrate milestones within your budget. Use alerts and notifications to stay updated on your spending. With these steps, you'll effectively budget using Chime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.